Alright guys, I'm gonna be switching the VTM sensor, differential sensor. It's gonna be this one right here. Pretty much there's like this shield that's covering the sensor, and you're gonna have to use a 2-inch wrench to get these screws out. There are 3. There's one here and two on top. Okay, so I already kind of did that. So pretty much you kind of screw it and kind of move this out of the way. Kind of move this out of the way, and then that's the sensor is right there. Okay, you're not gonna be able to grab it using like a regular wrench or socket. It's gonna be a 19-inch socket, but the short ones are not gonna fit. The deep impact one's not gonna fit. So what I did was I ordered a mid-length size socket. Okay, so that's gonna be able to make room to fit the whole sensor, as well as like giving you more room to put use your ratchet to pry it out loose. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys here in a bit. Just kind of bear with me. I ordered this socket from Amazon. Okay, so for like $8, something like that. You guys could probably get it from the local hardware store if they have it. You're not just order it on Amazon. It's a 19-inch socket from Capri. Okay, I know you guys can kind of see it, but it's a mid-length. Okay, so you're gonna need that to be able to fit. So you want to just kind of put this to the side, and kind of come towards the right to the left. Okay, just like that. Okay, now everything fit, right? And then you want to just grab your socket with your wrench, try to put it in your socket. I don't know, I guess you kind of see it though, but try. Let's see. Okay. All right. Okay, just like that. Okay, now it's loose. Okay. You can probably do it by hand now. Okay. Okay, once it's loose, you can pretty much do it by hand. Okay. It's this sensor right here. It's probably gonna leak a little bit. Okay. So I got a replacement here from Amazon. Just like the same part as this one right here. Okay, so this is the old one. This is the new one. Okay. It's gonna go in here. This little socket right here. Okay. Let's see. I want to make sure it doesn't have any debris on it though. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Try to do it by hand, and then I'll put the socket in. Let's see. Sure it goes in right straight. Okay. Okay. Okay, there we go. Okay. And then I'm gonna just use my little 19-inch socket, metal size socket. Okay. And then I'm gonna make sure not to over tight it. Okay, just like that. Okay. That's good. Okay, and that's how you replace the VTM sensor in the differential case on an 07 Honda Pilot. And then you probably want to put this back, you know, connect this, you know, connect this sensor again. Okay, it's connected, and then this is gonna go here. It's gonna go like that. Okay, it's gonna protect the sensor like that. Okay. All right. Until then, I hope this will help you guys.